family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for coming back. Today's video is going to be my long-awaited office tour. You guys have been asking me over and over to show you what my office looks like, but I have just been super busy with everything else. But today, that changes. I'm going to be showing you my entire office, and I'm also going to be telling you where I got everything from. You guys know that cleaning is one of my favorite things to do, but I like to have something in the background as I clean. So whether it's a book, a movie, talking to a friend, listening to music, I just like to have something going in the background to keep me motivated. So one of my favorite things to do is to listen to an audiobook as I clean. So before we get into the video, I would like to say a big thank you to our sponsors for today's video, Audible. Audible is the leading provider of spoken word entertainment and audiobooks, leading from bestsellers to news, business, and self-development. Audible members get 1 credit every month, good for any title in the entire selections of bestseller and new releases, regardless of what the price is, and they get to keep it forever. Audible is also giving their members even more with their new all-inclusive Plus catalog. All members have access to their growing Plus catalog with thousands of select audiobooks, podcasts, Audible originals, guided fitness, meditation programs, sleep tracks to help you get better sleep, and so much more. So if you're interested in trying Audible, I highly encourage you to start now because they are giving away 30 days free trial. And all you have to do is go to audible.com/mercy or text mercy to 500 to sign up. All right, family, let's get back into the video. Okay, family, so right when you walk into my office, this is the first thing you see. All right, so let's start off with this couch. This is one of my favorite pieces in here. I actually got this piece from Wayfair, and I got the pillows from Home Goods, and I got the throw blanket there from At Home. This again is one of my favorite pieces because whenever I have a guest, they come in here, they sit here, and I sit at my desk and I'm able to talk to them. So then right above it, there is a big sign there that says follow your heart. For those of you who are OGs to my channel, you've seen this sign before. This sign used to be above my bed at my old apartment. So the next thing I want to show you guys is this beautiful plant. You've probably seen this in the background of a few of my videos, but this plant I love, and believe it or not, I got this from Burlington. This was about $79, and then inside of it, you'll see that the rocks also look real, but they don't come out, so they're stuck in there. So I just love that. All right, so moving over to the other side here, this is my second favorite part of the room, just because of how beautiful it looks. This lamp is super cool, and you would never believe where I got this from. I actually picked this out at a thrift store, and it was only $10. So then here I have this box of flowers. Again, if you're an OG, you've seen this a million times, but these flowers actually last for up to a year. And I feel like I've had this for over a year now, and they still look really good. These are real fresh flowers, by the way. These are just my collection of perfumes. This is the Bombshell from Victoria's Secret. As you can see, I'm almost out. That is one of my favorite perfumes. And then we have this one, also from Victoria's Secret. This one, also from Victoria's Secret. Another one from Victoria's Secret. You guys already know what this one is. I have a tiny little Coco Chanel bottle right here, if the camera would focus. But yes, I just have a few of my favorites here. So moving right along, before I forget, let me show you guys my little chandelier here. I haven't added the light bulbs, But this is a cute little chandelier. I didn't want anything crazy fancy, so I just went ahead and got this simple one. It's all black, and I got this from Wayfair, and I think it was about $100. So this is where the light bulb is gonna go. And yeah, I just haven't gotten around to doing that yet. Over here is my wall of fame, only because this is my favorite piece of art. It's not really a piece of art, but this is my YouTube Creator Award. This is one of my favorite awards that I've ever gotten, because if you guys know anything about YouTube, you know that it is super hard, and for that I am super grateful to each and every one of you guys. Alright, so moving on to this side of the room, this is my desk area slash workstation. This is actually where all the magic happens. As you can see in that corner, I have a trash bin there. And then this right here, I've actually had this for a long time as well. It was in my old bedroom at our apartment. So I just decided to move it in here because I need a lot of storage. And then over top of that, I have more storage. I actually used to have that flower in the kitchen, but I decided to move it because it is not spring anymore. It's not summer. So I went ahead and changed it up and put something else there. So then this is the chair that I always sit in to edit all of my videos. This thing is not the most comfortable thing, but it's really pretty. So I decided to go with that in here. That art piece up there is actually the inspiration for my room. It is just a beautiful piece. It has some golds, some grays, some white, some dark, I guess ash color. So it actually incorporates everything else that I have going on in the room except for the pink touches. Alright, so moving on to my desk. This again is where the magic happens. I just have this cute lamp that I've also had for a long time. I feel like I have a lot of stuff in here from my old apartment. So this lamp I actually got from the thrift store a long time ago. I only paid maybe $2 for it, but this thing is so cute. The head is bendable like that. The gold is actually very pretty and it hasn't faded, even though I've had it for a long time. So this is how you turn it on. So I have it right there, right next to my computer, because sometimes when I edit at night, I do need something, I guess, to light up the room. This is one of my favorite mugs because it's pink and it also has gold on it. The actual desk I've had for a long time as well, and it still works, so yes, I'm gonna keep that. So that is just my computer. That's what I use to edit all of my videos. This is my phone. It actually has a cute little stand. Let me show you guys. This is a cute little stand that I got from Amazon. So when I'm sitting here on my computer and I need to see my phone, I usually just take it and set it there and I can go through my phone. My case is also really cute, y'all. My little sister Sandra was the one who recommended this case for me, and she has the same thing. And when I saw it, I was like, I'm getting one. It's super cute and it's pink, so yeah. So over here are just a few other things. So this is my stapler. This is my tape. My favorite brush. This is a pen that matches the whole aesthetics. It actually came with this set. And then this little carrier thing. And then I have my favorite scissors in here as well because it matches the aesthetics. Let me fix that. This is usually where I set my candles to burn them when I'm sitting here editing or answering emails or anything like that. And it smells amazing. So all the way on the top there, I have one of my favorite plants. I've had that again forever from my very first apartment. Down here, I have a few more knickknacks. Over there, I have a binder where I keep all my stuff. This clock was actually given to me by Nandy. This was a prize that he won at his job, and he just wanted me to have it. Over here is my favorite picture of me and baby Nadia when she was like, I think 9 months old. And I've actually retaken this picture with the same exact dress when she was about 1 year old. But look how cute she is. Look at those cheeks and look at the hair. Oh my God. And that's actually not real. That is from at home. I have some storage down here. I have a few more candles down there. And then over here is actually my laptop. I usually keep it here because my desk is kind of small. So I usually just keep this down here until I need it. This is actually a laptop stand. I got that from Amazon. And then this is my laptop. As I said, I normally just keep that on there. And then over here, right in front of the window, I have this wine, I think it's a wine rack. So last but not least here, this is the closet to my office. That is where I keep all of my junk. So all my sponsorship stuff, all the stuff that I'm gonna wear for a specific video, some of my skincare, hair care, nail care, just everything is in there. Alright family, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys loved it. Thank you guys again so much for your love and support. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!